Welcome back, everybody. This is your German teacher Urvashi Sharma with another session. So, in my last video of 8th standard, we have covered question number 5 and we have also done first and second question completely. So, today I am gonna cover 6th question. Along with this, I'll provide you the solution of second part of question number 5. But before we'll begin with your question, if you have not yet subscribed the channel, please do the same, hit the like button below and don't forget to press the bell icon for further updates. So without wasting further, let's begin. So everybody, as you can see that today I'm gonna start with your 6th question, and in this question we have in total 9 pictures, and these all pictures are just giving us a hint that what will be the schedule of this boy, at what time he wakes up, and what time he brush his teeth, at what time he took a bath, at what time he drank a juice, so and so. Correct? So what we will do, these all are just a hint. We will change all the activities in the past form. That means we have to use a perfect. How can we use that? Very first thing, we will underline the verbs. So here this is my verb, here this is my verb, here this is my verb, then this is my verb, this is my verb, then this is my verb, then this will be my verb, this is my another verb, and this is my last verb. Now what will I do? I will make sentences with them. First is früh aufstehen. My first sentence will be, as you can see here, ich bin, we will not write ish, we will write er. Er ist früh, but I will not write aufstehen the same way. I will write aufgestanden. Are you getting? He woke up early. Er ist früh aufgestanden. Then next is sich die Zähne putzen, means he brushed his teeth. So he has brushed his teeth. So er hat die Zähne, and putzen will become geputzt, which means he has brushed his teeth. Okay, then sich schnell duschen, so it will be er hat schnell geduscht. He has taken a bath quickly. Schnell means quickly. This is my helping verb and this is my past form of the verb. Have a look on next one, einen Saft trinken. So it will be er hat einen Saft, and trinken. Trinken here will become getrunken. Clear? Then next part. Now the next point, er hat schnell geduscht. He has taken a bath quickly. Hat is my helping verb, means auxiliary verb, and geduscht is my past form. Then er hat einen Saft getrunken, which means he has drank a glass of juice. So getrunken is my past form and hat is my helping verb. Then er hat die Schulsachen in die Schultasche eingepackt, which means he has packed the school things in the school bag. Schulsachen means school things, Schultasche means school bag, and eingepackt means packed. Then er hat unterwegs by Petra geklinget, which means he has then went to Petra and just call her. Okay, geklinget is my past form and hat is my helping verb. Sie sind zur Schule geeilt. Here I have used Z because as per this picture, yes, as you can see there are two people, so we have used Z here. So they have rushed for the school. So Zin, because if they are moving will have movement, and movement will always be sein. Sie haben mit anderen Kollegen getroffen, which means they met their other colleagues. Okay, and last, sie haben in die Schule pünktlich erreicht, which means they have reached on time in school. So this is what we have done. I hope this much is clear to everybody. You have to do the same in your German books, and I will be also giving the solution of this question, fifth question, second part, which you have to complete in German books. So from this chapter we have only question number 7 left, that we'll cover soon. Till then, bye bye, stay home and stay safe everybody.